Well, local airports are also getting ready for the snow. This is video we took at Harrisburg International hours after the last time the airport got more than 10 inches of snow. That was back in December of 2020. As you can see, they managed to clear the airfield fairly quickly. This time, all the equipment and people are once again ready inside this hangar. The exact approach to the storm will depend on the storm itself.
If it starts nice and light, we can broom for a while. Gets too deep, then we start to plow and then broom. Then when it gets really deep, you get the snow blowers out and blow it off the edges. We don't want to get to that point, but that sounds like if the forecasts are accurate, we'll get to that point. The key thing for us is visibility. If it's 2 inches an hour, it's heavy snow, it's not safe for our crew to be out there. So we may pull them off for a while. There may be a temporary closure of the airport.
Remember, often airlines cancel or delay flights during a storm, even if the airport itself is not officially closed.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.